Yes, the pandemic has hit us hard, and it has hit us hard in every sphere of life. So this has got us thinking into a very different. There's been a paradigm shift in how to look at the education, the components of education system, whether it's the learner, the child, whether it's the curriculum, whether it's the teachers. As you say, the teachers who are the front runners so far, have been the front runners, and you can probably equate them with the health workers and all, because they are the ones who are actually, I would say, taking the front load of the children who are so used to probably especially the adolescent, used to moving out of the house on their bikes and scooters after a certain time. And once they're growing into this teenager and adolescent age, it's very difficult for them to move, to stay within the four walls of the house and forever being looked down upon and being monitored by the parents. So here, this was a challenging role for the teachers to make them at ease, probably, connect with them so that they don't go haywire. That the children are full of technology. It's a Generation Z which is technologically strong, and so it was important for the teachers to connect and to make the children feel closer to them, because as they say, each teacher has a counselor within herself and himself. So the child, in spite of the fact that they love their parents, but they connect beautifully with the teachers. So here came the role of the management, that the teachers who had to go online teaching, who had to take up this new role of, learning new technology, new tools every second day, because you wanted to have the full school running just the same way as we had a physical school running, whether it be assessment, whether it be a inter-school competition, whether it be a parent-teacher meet, or it be an MUN, whether it's an extempore or a debate or whatever. So everything had to be learned. More over and above, the teachers had, as I've been saying, they needed to connect with the children, and that there was this role of the management to make them a little more comfortable, because they were the ones who were doing the household chores. They were the ones who had to look after their family, cook, and do everything, the chores of the day. For that, we connected well by God's grace. We have a good set of teachers who were understanding, and we had these small little groups, and we have a life skill trainer with us, and he had a regular counseling every 10 days with a smaller group, every 10 days with another smaller group. It was like, when you talk to the parents, you give them, the parenting is important. Similarly, I think the teacher counseling was very, very important. There were times when the teachers did feel the load, did feel the pressure, but then immediately our duty was to look after them, see how best and how well we could, manage their emotional skills, because if they were happy, they would probably give their best to the students. At the end of the day, it is the learner who is important. When we talk of, the whole topic was about reinventing the ecosystem. Now the ecosystem, the center focus is the learner. Who's this learner? The new millennial kid. And what is this millennial kid? The kid who has just been through this huge, setback and adversity which he had never imagined.